pumpkin, walnuts, sunflower seed, gorgonzola, and balsamic vinegar. Buon
Muchas
appetito!
grazie.
White chocolate and ricotta mousse with homemade vanilla sponge, chocolate gelato, pistachio gelato, pistachio crumble, and sour cherry from Italy. It's our dessert of the month.
Hi boys and girls, aunties and uncle. Welcome back to my channel. My name is CK and my channel is Ecology, where I bring you, my lovely viewers, around the world to eat, see and explore. When it comes to Italian food, I have very high standards. There's only one Italian restaurant I go to here, and that restaurant is called Bottega in Kuala Lumpur. But Bottega opened a branch here in Georgetown in Penang, right here in Muntri Street. And today I'm gonna take you there to experience the magic of Bottega restaurant. So let's go and check it out. Thank you. Wow, masterpiece.
Red pesto, green pesto.
Green pesto.
And this is pickle, vegetable. All right, now this is the Milano, the ventriciana, shishita, arrotolata. This is the cooked ham. This is the Parma ham. Now go to the cheese. This is the manchego, Romero sheep cheese, and this is the fontina.
Fabulous. And I just put it here
Yes.
and then I dip like this. Is
Exactly.
it? Okay.
You use this to get it and to spread it into your lovely bread.
Okay, I've checked in here at Bottega, and here at Bottega, they really emphasize on the dining experience. And this, ta-da! And this is my cheese plate, my cold cheese plate. Look at that. Isn't this a masterpiece? I mean, it really is. The color is just bursting out of the camera at the moment. Here in Bottega, what you can do is you can go up to the counter and tell them which type of cheese you like, what type of cold cut goes through the cheese. Tell the staff here your preferences. So some people like spicy, some people are vegetarian. As much information you can give the staff, and they will provide you with customized that would suit your taste. Here is my cold cut. I'm supposed to take a bread with all these incredible cheeses, salami, and I probably dip it with pesto. This is the green pesto. This cheese is so milky, so buttery. Do always start with the cheese because it awakens your taste bud, and always ask the staff what goes well with the cheese. And in this case, it is this newly opened Blanc Sauvignon. Bye. I'm very lucky because Chef Giuseppe has come all the way from Kuala Lumpur. He's gonna prepare my food for tonight, the tagliate, the pumpkin risotto, and also my dessert. We're gonna watch him cook and then we're gonna eat.
Love me or hate me, partners in maiden, when he let his eyes on me. Yucky, ninini, na para da mo ng pichi, imida my headshot. No, I ain't gonna let anyone keep me down. No, you just gotta keep up 'cause I ain't got a
monsieur. I bring it to your table. Yeah, enjoy. Buon appetito.
Gracias.
Eating biscuits, sharing secrets. Now it's just you and me. No, I ain't gonna let anyone keep me down. No, no, you just gotta keep up 'cause I ain't gonna slow down. No, no, everyone just wanna get to know ya. 이미 시작된 걸.
Pumpkin, walnuts, sunflower seed, gorgonzola, and balsamic vinegar. Buon
Muchas
appetito.
grazie.
Prego.
And voila, here is my pumpkin risotto. It has walnut, it has, I don't know, cheese, it has pumpkin seed. This is so appetizing. Bottega never fails, and this is their result. The chef specially made it for me, and I had to come early and I had to book a seat. Within half an hour, this whole place will be full. First bite. I'm gonna choose the perfect bite, and I'm gonna put like squeeze in everything that I can. Oh god. Dude. As I said, they never fail. Italian rice, I guess. Italian cheese. Oh, I'm so glad I don't have to fly to Italy to eat this. It looks absolutely appetizing. Believe me, the best risotto in Penang, the best pizza in Penang, the best tagliate in Penang is right here in Bottega. I am a regular here, and believe me, so you need to come early and even odd hours. And by the way, parking is a nightmare.
white chocolate and ricotta mousse with homemade vanilla sponge, chocolate gelato, pistachio crumble, and sour cherry from Italy. Is our dessert of the month.
Just grazie.
Prego.
It's the first time I ever filmed a chef making an ice cream. I think it's made with a lot of love, a lot of details. My God, Elvis is singing right now. So this is the ice cream pistachio. It's really exquisite. Look at the cream. This is peppermint. And then with the cherry, my gosh, this is it. The ice cream pistachio melts really nice with the cream. And I think the garnish really makes a whole difference. Look, it's so fluffy and oh Lord. And the sour cherry over here. I'm not exactly an ice cream person, but Italian gelato, who doesn't like? I mean, who doesn't fall in love with Italian ice cream, right? And in Malaysia, absolutely impossible to get. But here in Bottega, again, they deliver. So, Bottega is the restaurant to come, and they are closed on Tuesday. Every Tuesday they are closed, but hence they are open every day. You are very advisable to make reservation, which is very necessary. I come like special hour and a special chef cook for me. Other than that, oh, look at the pancake. Oh, finally I discovered this part. Oh, creamy. It makes me miss Italy, Bottega. So that's my short little video. This time, the best Italian food in Penang, right here in Bottega. And I'll see you in my next video.